time today. Broke the chain again. It's taking a while to get it done. Alright, so anyway, as I was saying, third time today we broke a chain. It's taking a little while to get this field done, but so far we're up to about 20 bales in this field. And still got some left. There's a little cove down that way. Heather's on the other side of this property, on a field about the same size as this one, maybe a little bigger. Raking hay right now. She's trying not to stay too far ahead of me in case it rains. We keep having breakdowns. Earlier a chain broke and we lost the whole chain. Could not find it in the field anywhere. Don't know what happened to it. And ended up having to go to town and get another chain, put it on, and this chain has broke twice already since then. So it's not hard to fix, it's an inconvenience when it happens. So anyway, y'all have a good day. Alright, well, Heather finished raking this field and now we're on it, baling this one, or I'm baling this one now, and Heather has moved on to a different field. She's using the little tractor and the rake to bale, or to rake, and then I'm coming behind her with the baler. It'd be nice if I could stay up with her, but we keep having baler issues, so it'll get there eventually.